Jealousy does nothing for us. All we need is a touch of trust. You trust me, then I trust you. Then live our lives like others do. I trust you, then you trust me. I've tried and tried to make you see that your last boyfriend played you time after time, and it was not me, the best of your mind. You just drive me crazy with that crazy mind. Crazy mind, that crazy mind. The brain keeps ticking over all of the time. The things that I just want. My mind crazy too. Crazy mind. That crazy mind, 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 that crazy mind. So I'm wondering why your mind is so crazy. Just because we ain't spent time together lately. I got things to do and you have too. And everything I do don't revolve around you. Now I'm not saying that in a wicked way. You got me treading on eggshells. The shit I say, I can't put a foot right. It's just one of those days. No matter what I say, it's gonna be taken the wrong way. Like, you look very good today. Why didn't you say that yesterday? Like, your hair looks very nice curly. What? So if it was straight, you wouldn't fancy me? Yeah, you see what I mean? I can't win. I may as well chuck these roses in the bin. Roses? Ah, that's very sweet of you, but why buy roses? What you been up to? Get up against the wall, let me frisk you. Where was you today? Between 1 and 2. Now I feel like I'm under interrogation. Now the house is turned into a police station. She want dates and times and locations. All I want is a vacation from the crazy girl, crazy times, and that crazy mind. You just drive me crazy with that crazy mind. Crazy mind, that crazy mind. The brain keeps ticking over all of the time. The things that I just want. My mind crazy too.